folks, here's the update. It's still blowing like a crazy thing. It's still cold. See? Trust me, it's cold. And that wind's friggin' awful. Really. Holy. Okay, I'm gonna come to the end of the street here, and it's gonna be blowing even more because there ain't no houses protecting me. So watch me or hear me swear then. Oh, okay. That's not bad. Okay, this is farther than when we went before. Oh shit! Bullocks, I say! Damn snow covers up the curb. Can't see where the hell I'm walking. If I'm lost, I don't know. My dog didn't even want to come and walk with me. She's smart. Okay. Holy. My face is frozen again. Oh my God, that hurts. Okay, I think I've had enough of this outdoorsman stuff for today. So, isn't that something? Like I said, I'm glad I'm not driving. Even in the city here, kind of crappy. Wow, listen to that wind. Holy shit. That's amazing. I remember when I was young, they had some good storms. Not like this, though. Well, no, it was worse than this. Okay. That was a dumb idea. Go farther. Okay. Okay. That's enough, folks, for tonight. There won't be an update until tomorrow. You know, I even heard geese trying to fly. I saw geese trying to fly earlier in the day when it was light. Those poor things. They should have left yesterday. Oh well. Sometimes it you gotta learn. You learn the hard way. I think those geese did. Okay, look at that. Those are my snow steps. And they're covered up pretty darn quick. Look at that. Did you see that? Okay, this is where I almost tripped. You should at least give me a thumbs up. Oh, Jesus, look at that. I wish they would friggin' have some type of marker or something so you can know where the friggin' steps are. Where the curb is, so I don't trip. But I think you guys should at least give me a thumbs up for making this video for you to show you. Oh, that was good. Oh, yeah. Holy shit, man. That was good. I think I've said holy shit like 2 or 3 times already in this video. Yeah, so you know it's good when I say holy shit. All right. Okay. Well, like and subscribe. Buy me a coffee. Keep me warm. and that'll keep me warm. See, I like gasoline station coffee. It's not that expensive stuff, you know. But thanks for watching, and wait till tomorrow. It'll be another good video adventure, because that's when the snow is coming. So hopefully you'll see it tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Look at that.